They say it takes 10,000 hours of practice to become a master. They say you need 1,000 rejections to make it to the starting lineup. They say it takes 100 new learnings to mold a champion. But the truth is, all it takes is one belief. One belief to trust the process and show up every day. One belief that you can turn challenges into opportunities. And one belief that at the end of this journey, your glory awaits. At Cryo.do, we hold on to that one belief. One belief in our mission to turn your dreams into reality through the power of practical hands-on learning.
Finishes off in style. A magnificent strike into the crowd. India lift the World Cup after 28 years.
So join us at Cryo.do, where beliefs come to life and lift the cup of your dream career.